Hi, I'm Barry Reitman, author of Secrets, Tips, and Tricks of a Powerful Memory, and I'd like to discuss a few good ideas, tricks, and tips for your memory. Most important is what I call a two-word system: focus and picture. If you don't know something, you can't remember it. That's not a bad memory. That's not knowing something. So make sure you really do focus. If it's remembering names and faces, you want to make sure that you actually meet the people you're being introduced to, not just have them pointed out, this is Mary, this is John, and without a chance to picture them. And there's other videos in this series which will show you specifically how to do each one. But you do want to picture things. The next thing I'm going to suggest is don't panic. If you've done this properly, if you have pictured the things that you want to remember, don't ask yourself, what was his name? What was his name? Just ask yourself, what picture did I see? And that will bring it to the fore. Sometimes it helps just to get away from that question for a minute and come back to it. But always focus on what you want to remember. And if you haven't done that, don't blame your memory, blame your approach. That's the biggest tip that I have. We all have a pretty good natural memory. The question is, how do we bring the information to the front? How do we file it so that we can retrieve it? And throughout this series, you'll see a number of tricks for filing away bits of facts. And that's what will make it happen. Picturing those file systems, picturing those hook numbers, picturing those rooms in your home, picturing those body parts, picturing the rhymes that you've created. Throughout this series, you'll be shown those. And then relaxing and just asking yourself, what were the pictures that I saw? That will bring it to you.